So it's the most wonderful time of the year and I haven't been in the studio at all, not one day. And some of you might know that I have been in theater business before I was a photographer. And once a year I go back for a whole month to sing Christmas songs. So also congratulations to my Nightingale. It won another award in the New York Photography Awards, silver this time. I create a lot of custom art and I don't show any of that normally because it's very personal and private. But this time my own daughter asked me to create something for her for a new home and also to frame it. So it was time to feed my ducks. I had some questions about whatever happened to the ducklings. Well, they are still hanging around on my doorstep. I really enjoy it a lot. I think it's so sweet and I hope they return next year with small ducklings again. But first I want to create something with my cat. She doesn't do anything with her life, she's very lazy, but she's a gorgeous cat. So I think she should be in another piece of art. She has been before. The edition sold out I think last year. So it's time for a new one.
Van Nederland, wegen onder water gelopen. Door de regen zijn rivieren. Santa baby.
hope to see you again in January 2024 already, and it will be really a good month because half of January we are going to Italy to collect an award. That was a spoiler. And also end of January there will be a new exhibition at Silla Gallery, and I will show you all the preparation that needs to be done for that one. So with being back in the theater and wearing all these nice costumes, it made me realize I really do miss that, because I used to create my own costumes and I miss to make things by hand. So I decided to get my sewing machine out of the closet and create something again, and I will finish that next time.